conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is founded on the indivisible, universal values of human dignity, freedom, equality and solidarity. It is based on the principles of democracy and the rule of law. It places the individual at the heart of its activities by establishing the citizenship of the Union and by creating an area of freedom, security and justice. Gyoza, known as Japanese food, gyoza is shown among the taste similar to Turkish manti. Unlike our manti, gyoza is cooked by frying the dough on the grill. In addition, there are plenty of mushrooms, onions, carrots, tofu and black vinaigrette sauce in gyoza. This dish, which is among the most well-known flavors of Chinese cuisine, is also sold in almost every Japanese street. Tempura. Tempura is perhaps known as one of the most famous dishes of Japanese cuisine. The taste of this flavor, which comes out with the preparation of seafood in accordance with Japanese cuisine, will remain in your palate. You can easily find tempura in almost every Japanese city. It consists of boneless fillet, shrimp, flour, fried vegetables and mushrooms. Tempura, which is among the flavors suitable for the European taste, is one of the unique street flavors that everyone who comes to Japan should try. Onigiri, also known as rice patties, is made from rice, the indispensable food of Japanese cuisine. The delicious seafood contained in the rolled rice balls gives the flavor of onigiri. You can try onigiris from the street shopkeepers you will come across frequently in Osaka, Kyoto, Tokyo and Kobe. Okonomiyaki, also known as Japanese pancakes, is among the dishes suitable for European palate. This delicious street flavor, which you can find in almost every city in Japan, is made on the grill. Meat and meat products are also used in the filling, which generally includes flour, eggs, cabbage and different vegetables. The mixed ingredients are poured on a hot grill and served with yakisoba noodles. Served in two different styles, Kansai and Hiroshima, this dish is also consumed with dried seaweed, mayonnaise, pickled red ginger and okonomiyaki sauce. Sunbae is one of the most common delicacies you will find on the streets of Tokyo. Sunbae, which is generally sold in dried form in markets, are rice crackers in dozens of different shapes, tastes and sizes. This street flavor, whose raw material is rice, has an exquisite taste when cooked on wood fire or on coal. Prepared for different tastes, sunbae is also served with spicy and sweetened ingredients. Ramen is perhaps one of the most recognizable dishes in Japanese cuisine. One of the first dishes that almost everyone should try when they go to Japan, ramen is normally a dish of Chinese origin. This dish, named after the noodles in the soup, is consumed with a combination of different aromatic flavors, with vegetables or meat. Usually ramen, it is made from ingredients such as broth, sliced meat, green span, dried seaweed, kamaboko and corn. Takoyaki. It consists of balls filled with octopus, green onion, ginger and tempura pieces. Takoyaki, meaning fried octopus, is one of the indispensable flavors of Japanese cuisine. If you happen to be in Japan, don't forget to try these delicious crispy octopus balls. Stove, one of the favorite flavors of traditional Japanese cuisine, stove is one of the Japanese dishes suitable for European palates. Resembling a pasta dish, this dish is made from wheat and buckwheat. You can try this unique street flavor with extremely high nutritional value in many parts of Japan. Moreover, the Japanese make this dish completely different with different sauces. Karen raisu, Japanese-style curry is known as a food species. Kare raisu, one of the indispensable palates of the Japanese, has 3 different service options. You can find Japanese curry almost everywhere in general. It is served with curry rice, curry bread and curry udon. The must-have ingredients of the Japanese street food raisu are onions, carrots, potatoes, pork, chicken, beef and curry. Mizo soup is among the delicious street delicacies that you can easily find in almost every region of Japan. Mizo, also known as traditional Japanese soup, is made by mixing sauces called dashi and softened miso. The main ingredient of the soup is crushed soybean paste. Mizo, where different spices and ingredients can be added according to seasonal changes, is among the foods that the Japanese consume in every meal.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share our videos and support with comments. See you in the next video. Have a good time.